already earning revenue, guys.
Short straw, I'm ballin'. 20 of the spot is a golden. When we let it slide, is it cool?
What's up, loves? I am so excited. This video is long overdue. I know I did do one on how to gain 1,000 subscribers in 10 days, but listen guys, I'm already at 2.8k. I've already enrolled in the partnership program and everything is I'm already earning revenue, guys. This thing is moving super fast. But let me start off the video with a positive quote. Let's see which one we like today. Oh my god, I love this one. Look. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid to not try. Oh my god, I feel like a lot of people need to hear this, because there's a lot of you guys commenting on my videos and saying how much you guys want to start a YouTube channel and you guys have not yet started or haven't found the courage to start and all this. Don't be afraid to try. If you don't try, you know, how you gonna fail if you don't try? Let me tell you something. I've told a lot of people, well, I've said this before in my previous videos. This is not my first time trying YouTube, guys. This is probably my third or fourth time trying to get into the YouTube partnership program, trying to start earning revenue from YouTube. This is not my first time. I have failed 3 times before. If you don't try, how you gonna know? You can't know. There's this one quote that I remember when I was in school in Jamaica that they normally say to us in class, and this is like 3rd grade. They said, don't say you can't before you try. Try and see what you can do, because if you are helped by others, it's they who do the work, not you. That always stick into my brain, especially the first part. Don't say you can't before you try. Try and see what you can do. We have to try, guys. We have to try. Look at me. What if my first or second attempt I gave up and I was like, okay, I failed, I'm not gonna do this? What if I had gave up? What if I failed and I was like, nah, this is it, I'm done? Yeah, then how would I have gotten here today? I wouldn't have, if you really think about it. What if I wanted to do it and I never did? Then how would I have gotten here today? I wouldn't have. So try. That quote is real. Try. If you want to start a YouTube channel, start a YouTube channel. Don't say, are you scared? Don't say, listen, nothing tried, nothing done. That's all I'm gonna say. Nothing tried, nothing done. But hey, I'm already a YouTube partner. I've gotten into the program and everything is going good so far with getting used to how things are rolling and everything. So I've always seen YouTubers, their full-time job is YouTube, and I am a very creative person. Like, I like to speak. I'm very social. I like to give people positive affirmations. I also like to be funny and goofy and stupid, you know. I like to make people laugh, and I also like to teach things to someone who don't know it. I feel like if you can benefit from something that I know and something that I have in my brain, why not share it? That's the type of person that I am. And on top of that, I'm a real girl. I don't pretend. I am not gonna come on here and front and make up stories and lie about how things are going. If things are rough, I'm gonna come on here and say, hey, things are rough. Life is kicking me up and down the street. That's one thing about me. I am very real. I'm gonna come on here and tell y'all exactly how it goes. So I've always felt like, you know, I have that personality to be on camera and, you know, come on camera and talk and share my personality and myself with a lot more other people. I started this channel back in, was it March or was it like the beginning of April? I think it's around the beginning of April, end of March, beginning of April was when I came on here and I created my little display picture and I made my little channel art, and I was like, listen, start my budgeting journey. I am about to share my journey with others. I know there's a lot of people out there who probably don't know where to start or probably need a little motivation to start, because I know for a fact life kicks us all. And I was just like, let me jump on YouTube, let me give it a different approach and see how far this can get me. Not that I'm only here to get paid, not that I'm only here to get revenue. That's not what I'm here to do. I'm here to share with you guys my journey and anything in my journey that can help your journey. That's really the number one goal for me. But getting into the program has been something that I've been trying to do for years. So the fact that I'm in there now and I've started to make a little revenue and I see my subscribers going up, and I haven't really been doing much marketing. You know, when they try to get you to buy ads and stuff to try to get people to subscribe. No, I literally just turn my camera on, record what I'm doing, be real, talk, and subscribers just keep coming. It's all about how you approach things. It's all about, you know, just be yourself. I hate when people pretend. Just be yourself. Be yourself and people will love you for you. So, I want to share with you guys some tips that I've learned over the past month that have gotten me thus far, and have gotten me into the partnership program with YouTube. I know one thing that a lot of people struggle with is watch time. The watch time hours. I thought I was gonna have problems with that too, but turns out that I didn't. I want to show you guys the analytics. So I thought I was gonna have trouble getting my watch time up, and guys, let me tell you, I just kept posting every single day, posting videos, posting shorts, and I made that. I passed the watch time requirement of 4,000 in 3 weeks. I thought I was going to struggle with that. I know a lot of people struggle. They get their 1,000 subscribers, but then when it comes to 4,000 watch times, they struggle with getting the watch time hours. But my tip to you to get to the watch time hours fast is to post every day. That's what I did. I post a video every single day, and I post reels every single day. Not reels, shorts. And if I don't post a video today, I make sure I post 2 shorts for the day. It's all about the content you're pushing. You have to remember, if you push more content, it's more of an opportunity for someone to watch it. I don't know if you get what I mean. Like, if you post a video today and then you don't post a video till next week, it's not guaranteed that a lot of people is going to watch that video you posted today, if you get what I mean. What if you put out 5 videos for the week? Then it's a possibility that more people will watch 5 videos versus 1. You can have 100 viewers on 1 video, and you can have, what am I saying? If you post 1 video, you can have 100, 200 viewers, right? Looks at that video and keep it pushing. What if they weren't interested? Then they gonna keep pushing. But what if you post 5 videos and one of those 5 videos speaks to someone other than the other one, and you get 200 views on this one? Tomorrow's video you get 400, the next day video will get 100, the next day video. That's way more views than if you posted 1 video and you had 200 views on it. So my thing is, like, you guys have to post regularly. I realize that in order to get to the watch time, you have to post regularly. As you guys can see, the watch time hours that's required by YouTube is 4,000. Right now I'm at 6,707. So I've already passed that 2,700 over the required watch time, and also 454% more than the previous 28 days. So my watch time has flagged, passed, gone. I also have and 12.7k views in the last, what is this? It doesn't say. From April 11 to May 8, I have 112.6 thousand views for my channel. Why? Because I post every single day. I post every day. Now I have also gained from April 11 to May 8, I have gained 1,498 subscribers on top of what I've had. So 177% more than previous 28-day subscribers have subscribed to my channel. And I can tell you this, every single day at least 100 people subscribe to my channel every day. So what I've done, I literally just post every day. I post a video every day, and I make sure I post a short. I'm gonna show you guys. I have a little plan in my good notes. See how it says YouTube video, YouTube weekly planner. So this is my weekly planner for YouTube, right? It has my total views that I have for this month, the total subscribers that I have for this month, the week. So this was May week 1. This is all the content that I plan to put out for week 1, and the ones that are highlighted I did put out. I forgot to highlight these because I did put these out as well. But as y'all can see, if you look at the planner, I have a video. The titled ones are videos. Cash stuff in $100 in self-care. That's a video. And then I have post a short and post a community post. Y'all see? So that is the plan. That is my plan for every single day. And that's what I do every single day. I post a video. I post a short at the same time when I post that video. And I write a community post. And these are all video ideas that I had in my head that I needed to record. So make a plan. Plan how you guys are going to, you know, juggle, like plan how you're gonna attack YouTube. You have to come up with a plan. So this is for this week. I'm yet to do the plan. I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to finish my plan for this week. Today is what, Tuesday, and these are videos that I have in my head to record for this week. So I've already recorded the stuffing for bills. I already recorded the stuffing for saving challenges, and this is I am officially a YouTube partner. I am recording that right now. So I have these 2 more videos to record for this week, and I have to make a list of more that I need to record, because this is only gonna be, today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I need a total of 6 videos for this week. I'm recording this right now. I've already recorded this, and I've already recorded this. That's 3. So I need 3 more. I have these 2. I need 1 more video for the week. So come up with a plan on how you're going to attack YouTube. And once you come up with a plan, you're going to see results. But my tip for you is to post every day. Use tags, use hashtags, and do not sleep on shorts. A big percentage of my subscribers have gotten to my channel through shorts. So post your shorts too, and don't sleep. But baby, I'm officially a YouTube partner, and I'm happy. I feel good, and I want to thank you guys so much. And if you guys want to start a channel, start the dang thing. Start the dang thing, and stop coming under my comment section telling me how you want to start a channel. Come on in my comment section and tell me, hey, I have started my channel. That's what I want to hear. I don't want to hear, oh, I want to start a channel, but I'm this, but I'm that. I don't want to hear that. Come on in my comment section and tell me, girl, I have started a channel. You done motivated me, and it's done. That's what I want to hear, okay? But guys, that's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave away. No, it's niggas that count.